I'm here today with the Oral-B Genius X, and I think this is like the most basic version that you can get with app connectivity, so I really wanted to try this out. So today I want to unbox it and see what we get, and I'll do a more in-depth review once I've tried it out just a little bit. So very cool design. You see the little different icons for different modes here, so that's pretty cool. And then what else do we have in the box? A booklet, of course, with all the explanation, and then just one of these brush heads, which is the standard Oral-B brush head that you can get with any of these machines, even if you buy like a simpler one. So I got the Oral-B Pro Series 1000. I think this is the most basic version without app connectivity, and that's the same brush head that you get with it. So you can put that on any of these devices, as you can see. So let's get into that, because we have different modes here, and let's see what else we have. Then your little case right here, so we can put this on there, and that way you can charge that. This charging base is also the same for most of the Oral-B models. Although this one has a little bit of a thicker base than some of the others, and then a grippy textured back here, and a light up top here. So I think that would be for the protection, for the gum protection when brushing too hard. So let's see if this will turn on right out of the box. Yes, it does. And you can see a Bluetooth icon, and none of the modes is on right now. So when I push the button, you can see that's the Gum Protection Plus, the lighter one if you have problems with your gums, then a Diamond Clean. You can hear there's a little bit of a different pulsating sound there, which really goes into your teeth, and then a very heavy pulse, and with different pulses. And this is like your tongue brush setting. So you also have a tongue brush setting, and then the normal mode again. And then you can turn that off. And this also has an automatic timer for 2 minutes, so you can brush the right amount of time. And it should have that brush protection. So let's see how that works. Yes, if you push too hard, then the entire light will turn red. I think it's one of those features that once you know, and then you can train yourself not to push too hard, and then you don't really need to use something like that anymore. But one of these Oral-Bs has saved me from really brushing too hard and killing my gums. So I think you need that to train at least a little bit, and then once you know. But a very cool feature-packed thing here. I'm going to connect this to the app and see how easy that is. I think that should be in the booklet. And then I'll let you know how that goes. So I hope this video has helped you see the unboxing and my first impressions, and helped you make your choice.